Welcome to the stunning city-state of Singapore, where innovation, culture, and nature coexist in perfect harmony. Join us as we embark on an unforgettable journey through the captivating sights, vibrant neighborhoods, and unique experiences that define this remarkable destination. Our adventure begins amidst the dazzling blend of tradition and modernity that is Singapore. Discover the energy of its bustling markets, the serenity of its temples, and the world-class architecture that defines its skyline. Behold the architectural marvel of Marina Bay Sands, an icon that reflects Singapore's commitment to innovation. Immerse yourself in the overworldly beauty of Gardens by the Bay, where nature and technology converge. Step into Singapore's diverse neighborhoods, each with its own character and charm. Traverse the historic streets of Chinatown and be enchanted by the vibrant colors of Little India. Immerse yourself in Singapore's rich history, from the National Museum to heritage sites that tell the story of this multicultural nation. Delight your taste buds in Singapore's culinary scene, from hawker centers serving savory dishes to high-end restaurants offering world-class cuisine. Experience Singapore's dynamic nightlife, from cultural performances to contemporary entertainment. Escape to Sentosa Island, where adventure and relaxation await. As the sun sets, Singapore's skyline transforms into a mesmerizing panorama of lights, embodying the city's modern spirit and cultural richness. Join us in celebrating the magic of Singapore, a city that seamlessly blends the best of East and West. Whether you're a history buff, a food lover, a nature enthusiast, or simply drawn to innovation, Singapore promises an unforgettable journey. Hit that like button, share the adventure with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.